Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem. It says let vector A equals to this, vector B equals to this for some real. Hopefully, they are talking about this x. So, it is some real x. Okay. Then magnitude of A cross B equals R. So, they are talking about magnitude of A cross B, and it is possible if. So, you have to tell me the range of R. Okay. So before solving for R, we should solve A cross B first. So for A cross B, let's do the orthodox thing. So A cross B is i-j+k. Now write down the component of vector A, 3, 2, x. Now component of B, 1, -1, 1. Correct? Now let's expand this thing. So I vector is 2 plus x minus j vector is 3 minus x, then k vector is -3 minus 2. Okay, so we got our things done. Now these guys are talking about the magnitude of A cross B. So let's try to find out the magnitude. And how we used to find out the magnitude? First root and then component of I square, component of j square, component of k square, and this thing should be equal to r. So root thing should be equal to r. So can I do squaring on both sides? So can I say that r square will be equal to 2 plus x whole square? Here we have minus, so I'll send minus inside. You will be having x minus 3 whole square, then minus 5 whole square. So this is our r. Now r square. Now simplify things. We got 4x square plus 4x x square 9 minus 6x plus 25. Correct? Now what I will be doing, I will club x and x square. So we got 2x square. So x square gone. Then minus of 2x. Okay. Then we have 13. So it will become 38. Okay. Yes, it will become 38. Now what I will be doing, I have to find out the range of this r. So what I'll use the completing the square method. So I will take 2 common from x square and x plus 38. Now I'll make it square, so it is 2 times a square. This thing is minus, so I'll make it minus 2ab. So minus 2, according to us a is x, and to make it x I have to multiply by 1 by 2. So we got our 2ab plus b square. If you have added something, you have to subtract something. Okay, so this is the bracket component. Now what I will be doing, I will club these thing and then I'll ask this thing to come outside the bracket. So it is 2 times x minus 1 by 2 whole square, then minus of 1 by 2 plus of 38. You can also write down this thing as 2 times x minus 1 by 2 whole square plus 75 by 2. Correct? Now this is your r square. Now think about this thing. So don't you think this is a positive quantity? So its minimum value is 0 if you will take x as 1 by 2. And maximum can be anything. Okay. So can I say that the least value of r square will, the value of r square will always be greater than 75 by 2. Okay, why? Because this component can be 0 or a positive quantity. So if it will become 0, the r square will have minimum value, and if this thing will contribute a little bit also, it will grow. Okay, so the minimum value of r square is 75 by 2. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.